Kerstar's KSV 45/2 W Swarf vacuum cleaner is the ideal solution for machine shop environments, as it is designed to pick up engineering coolant and metal chippings from inside the machine and also from the surrounding areas. Here we'll show you the different elements that make up this industrial vacuum. Here we see the KSV 45/2 wet motor head incorporating two 1000 watt double bypass motors with a power of 230 volts. Next is the overflow protection float assembly, which automatically shuts off the unit, preventing overfilling of the canister with liquid and protecting the motor head. Here we can see the cyclonic separator assembly with tangential entry. This is used to separate larger metal chippings down into the base of the canister. And a perforated steel swarf basket and nylon mesh filter holds the metal chippings and swarf inside the canister and is capable of separating out liquids and metal particles of up to 150 micron, and 100 micron filters are also available. Finally, the assembly includes a drain hose and stopper, which enables all liquid to easily be drained from the canister. The vacuum is mounted on a steel caddy for easy manoeuvrability. Vacuuming at source reduces the risk of injury caused by manual clean down and helps to protect the operator from irritation, rashes and dermatitis, often common among people exposed to metalworking fluids. The Kerstar coolant and swarf vacuum cleaners provide a quick, effective, safer method of cleaning down, therefore reducing machine downtime and increasing productivity and output.